Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and let's get it. One last time, volume down and power key pressed together, and the screenshot is taken. You can find your screenshots in albums, in the special screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit, delete your screenshots, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.